Hello, I'm Vicky from Surrey Blinds and Shutters. And the question I get asked the most is how do you clean your shutters? Especially if you have some unexpected guests about to turn up, maybe a little later in the afternoon. You want to do a really quick clean of your shutters. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I will be making more videos to show you how to deep clean your shutters. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get notification of when those come out. But this is just a quick clean. So first of all, the first thing I like to use when I'm doing a quick clean of my shutters is an ostrich feather duster. Ostrich feathers are very fine, so they do flick in and out and capture a lot of the dust very easily, and they're a great product to have. First thing to do is close the shutter louvers up, and then just run your ostrich feather duster up and down and across to flick off as much of the dust from the face of the shutter as possible. Once you've done that, you're going to open your shutter panel up. Now don't forget, don't use the centre tilt rod to open your panel or pull on the louvers. Always use the side stile of the door when you're opening a shutter panel. And what you're going to do is just close up the shutter louvers again and do exactly the same to flick off all the dust from the inside. Of course, what that does is it cleans off a lot of the dust, but it does leave a little bit front and back. So then what I like to do is take a cloth, and microfiber cloths are brilliant for this, and place that onto my hand, make a little puppet, and just pass that across each of the louvers, top and bottom, just to pick up any dust. Obviously, if you don't have the centre tilt rod, it's much easier because you can go all the way along the whole louver. If you do have the centre tilt rod, you do need just to do this on both sides of it. It's a fairly quick process, as you can see. And once this is done, that shutter panel is then nice and clean, and you can move on to the next one. So to fully clean a bay window like this one here would take probably around about 4 minutes. It's a nice and quick process just to get them looking nice and clean. And obviously if you try and do this once a week, once every 10 days, it will keep your shutters looking nice. But if you want information on how to do a deep clean, then as I said, do subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be given a notification when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching. I do hope to see you again next time.